Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some swatching and some application of these three liquid lipsticks which I purchased from AG Cosmetics. So I got this early in September during their launch, and I paid 99 ringgit for three of these. And I think it's such a steal because the colors are so pretty and the formula and the texture of it is really worth every cent that I paid. So I have three colors here with me, which is XOXO, Hey Babe, and Bestie. And the one that I'm using on my lips is actually XOXO. It is a deep red kind of shade, which is perfect for daytime or even nighttime. So yeah, so these are the three colors that I wanted to show you, and I wanted to just go through with you the application and also my thoughts on it, so that in case you want to purchase it, if you haven't, then you can just head on to their Instagram page, AG Cosmetics. I will link it below to make it easy for you. So the box itself reminds me of a hologram sticker that when you move it around, you see the reflection of the colors. But what they did here is actually very smart. It's actually the colors on a hologram sticker that is just painted on the box, and it's so pretty. And they have the brand name AG embossed on the box, so that's very nice. They also have the shade at the bottom, and on the packaging on the sides, they just let you know that it's cruelty free, it's paraben free, and also that it has 5 milliliters of product inside. The next thing I want to share with you is the packaging itself of the colors. So it comes in a nice square frosted bottle, and it reminds me of ice cubes. I don't know why, but it reminds me of ice cubes, and it's nice that you can actually see the color of the lipstick through the glass. And you know, if you want to pick it out, it's easy to actually just pick it out and know which color you're using. They also have the shades at the bottom as well. All three lipsticks have different scents, which I'm so impressed because I didn't expect all of it to have different scents. So for example, XOXO smells like bubblegum. It smells like a fruity bubblegum that I used to have during my childhood. So that's really nice. I like this one. Hey Babe has a very buttery scent, which smells like heaven. Like if I can eat it, I think I would. And Bestie has a more sweet vanilla smell. It's easy to apply, it's easy to remove, and it is also not drying, and it is very lightweight. Like when I applied it and when it dried, I didn't feel like I have anything on my lips, so that's a good thing. And it doesn't transfer. Like I used a mask yesterday, a face mask, and it didn't stain my face mask, so that's good. It has vitamin E, it has shea butter, and also collagen, so it will definitely keep your lips moisturized while you're using a liquid matte lipstick. So if you want to see the swatches, if you want to see the color on my lips, and also what I think about these colors, then just keep on watching. This is the shade Bestie, and I'm gonna try it on my lips so that you can see. This one smells like vanilla, and it smells so good. It doesn't make me look washed out, even with this neutral peachy tone. I really like it, and I think two applications of it really looks so nice. So this is the color. Okay, so the next color that I'm gonna try is in the shade Hey Babe. This is a very neutral nude with a more brown tone, I would say. And the color looks so nice. If you can see the applicator as well, I really like this applicator. So if you can see, I only dipped it once, and I'm just gonna apply it on my lips to show you how it looks like. This smells so good. It smells like butter. And if you make a mistake and you just go outside of your lip line, it's very easy to just wipe it off. I really like this color. I don't think it's so much of a brown. It's a very neutral color, and it's a very nice nude for my skin tone especially. So yeah, this color is so nice. So this is the final shade that I'm gonna try. It is in the shade XOXO. So this is the color XOXO on my lips. I would say that yes, this is definitely my favorite out of the three because I like darker shades. But yeah, I like this. I think this one really complements my makeup today. I would definitely use this again for sure. Like what I said, one application is more than enough, and if you make a mistake outside your lip line, you can just rub it off easily, and then it dries into a very nice lightweight texture, so you don't actually feel it on your lips. And yeah, so this is the color. That is it for today's swatches and colors from AJ Cosmetics. Let me know in the comment section below which color is your favorite. Mine, I would say, would definitely be XOXO, just because I like a deeper red tone, and I like something that's a little bit darker. So yeah, I think this color is definitely suitable whether it's daytime or nighttime. If you're planning to use this during the day, then maybe don't have like such a heavy eye makeup. But if you're using it at night, I don't see why not. But Bestie and Hey Babe is still so pretty, and it's perfect for daytime, and also when you're going to go to the office, or if you're working from home. These two colors are very nice just to give you a little bit of boost or to make you feel better throughout the day with a very light makeup. So yeah, if you like AJ Cosmetics and if you have used it before, please give this video a thumbs up. Until my next beauty review, I will see you then. Bye guys!